TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, everybody. Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, Monday morning, 30 minutes into the trading week as we come into the holiday week. Christmas, 1 week from today, hard to believe. Looking like a positive market to start things off, to say the least. Dow up almost 200 points, 199, trading at 24,850. Hard to believe only 150 points from Dow, 25,000. NASDAQ up 56 points, or 0.8%, trading at 69.93, approaching 7,000 NASDAQ. S&P up 17 points, or more than 0.6%, trading at 26.93. We'll jump over and start things off with the VIX. VIX approaching 970, opened at about 935 this morning, and just zooming in a little bit further, quite a little pop we got on the VIX on the open, which is interesting as we jump over to the Nadex platform and look at some of the futures markets, because it's been nothing but a positive run in the market. So you're seeing the market spike up a little bit on the open, but you're seeing the VIX spike up a little bit too. Interesting, not usually the case. S&P 500, March contract, trading 26.96 currently. NASDAQ 100 trading 65.29. The high for the pre-market session about 6:45 this morning, just shy of 65.40, approaching that level in the NASDAQ 100. Dow 30, 24,876, again approaching that Dow 25,000 mark on the futures and on the cash. Small caps, quite a pop on the open. There's your 930 bar. Small caps, Russell 2000, 1556 currently. Crude oil pulling back a bit, 57.32. And of course, even though it's a holiday week, we'll have inventories for crude tomorrow after the closing bell, 4:30, and Wednesday, 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we'll get the EIA numbers for crude. And gold bouncing around a bit to the positive side this morning, trading 1263.48. Okay, in terms of fundamental news out there, what you have going on, a couple deals. You have Hershey in a $1.6 billion deal to acquire Skinny Pop parent Amplify. You have Campbell's Soup out there buying snacks company Snyder's Lance for $4.87 billion with a B. You have, unfortunately, CSX, their CEO, Hunter Harrison, passing away over the weekend. That news had broke last week that he had stepped away from the company, pulled back. We'll see how CSX turns that around. And then Bitcoin, you had CME futures starting this weekend. There's your Bitcoin graph. 18,576. We'll see how that first week in CME futures and Bitcoin goes. Stay tuned. I'll be back at 10 o'clock with our man Basil Chapman, and I'll talk to you next hour at TFNN.com.
Today,